Hey guys, welcome to another video. No, we're not painting a bit of meat. Annie is prepping a beef rump cap that we got at work. Winnie and Jasper are over here, or Jasper is anyway, he's hanging out for some. But we're gonna do a cook up today. And we're gonna be using the camp cube over there and the Aussie. Annie's just getting the meat all ready. So she's got a bit of mustard there, and she's got some all-purpose seasoning. The biggest problem is the flies. Now she's just a minute ago cut off all the sinew off the bottom of the meat, because if you leave it on there it makes it real tough and doesn't cook properly. But she's got a few different spices there. I don't know what this one is. Let me have a look at it. Lamb, see, it's a lamb one, but we've got a bit of beef. But it doesn't matter what you put on them, as long as you season them up a bit. How are we going to cook it? We're going to cook it in a rotisserie basket on the Aussie. So it's a good flat bit of meat, so it's good for a basket. If you've got a bit of rolled meat, probably put it straight on the spit. But this one here will be good for a basket cook. Look at the top of that. That's going to be beautiful. I don't know whether she's going to score this or not. It's just patting it all down, getting all the excess blood and that off it. Jasper's having a bit of a bark at some motorbikes. Hey Jasper. I'm going to go over while Annie's doing this and just show you the Aussie, in case you don't remember what it is. I've done quite a few cook-ups on the Aussie. So it comes in this great little bag. I've got the stainless steel edition one. There's the motor. Hopefully I've got batteries in it. Yep. And there's the spindle. I've also got a veggie rack I can put on it and a little grilling rack. All you do is hammer the pole into the ground. These are an Aussie company. And you put this little wire clip on there. Now if you put it, this little wire clip, put it so this one here is, these hooks are facing upwards, and on the bottom of the Aussie you'll see a groove cut in there. What you want to do is put your Aussie on there and wiggle it around until that hook drops in that groove. Now what that does, it actually stops this from spinning on the spindle. So if you've got a big piece of meat on there spinning around, it can get off center, and this thing here will slowly twist around on its own, and you'll have to keep readjusting it. If you use that, you can don't have to worry about it, and you can still put your hand under there, squeeze it together and raise and lower it to whatever height you want. I've got some heat beads in here heating up. Might have to put another fire lighter under that. They're sort of half heating up, but I might go grab another one now. We're just using these Hot Shot barbecue fuel. These ones are fantastic for doing a cook up. Much easier to control than wood, and they give you a better heat, and you can just throw a few more on as you're doing a cook up. So we'll get all this set up, we'll get it in the basket, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's ready to go. And he's just about got all our seasonings over there. Looks pretty good. And Annie is got the Shack Country shirt on too. So how cool is that? Cooking up a bit of beef, and Annie's got the Shack Country gear on. You know, Brett from SMG is a sponsor of my channel. So cheers mate. Love your gear. I've got the hat on. Annie's got her cowboy hat on. So we'll get this all set up and we'll be back in a second. We've got the meat in the basket. So this little basket here, you can get one of these off barbecue spit rotisseries or any good barbecue store, but give old barbecue spit rotisseries a check out. You can buy the Aussie off them. You can buy all this barbecue gear. You can get herbs and spices. Now this thing here, you just push this little thing here and it locks into those little clips there. Just push it down till it's tight. Now we've put the spindle right through the center of the meat. I'm going to go over to the barbecue now, and I've got to find my gloves. Okay, we've got the meat, so what we're doing, we're just going to poke it up through there and you just line up that front part of the spindle. You can see there I've got it basically over the fire. Grab your motor. Now all you do with this is tilt it up, poke your spindle into the back of the motor, and then that clips up behind. And all you do is switch it on. So it's as easy as that. We're probably going to have to lower it a fraction. Now, because we're using the Camp Cube, won't be able to go too much lower, probably down another 20 mil. So if we've got to throw more charcoal in there, we will. I'm probably going to get my fire surround as well and put on the far side. There's a little bit of breeze blowing, because the worst thing with cooking with one of these is wind. It seems to blow the heat away, so I'll get my windshield, drop this down, and we'll come back. Okay, just thought I'd give you a quick update. It's 3:30. This has been on for about 2 hours now, maybe 2.5, and it's looking bloody beautiful. I threw a few more bits of the charcoal in the bottom there, but we should have enough there now to keep it going until it's ready. We've done this as a low and slow cook. We're not doing the veggies in here because I am using the briquettes, and they get really hot, so and there's not a lot of room left in that little basket. So what we've decided to do, I was going to cook them in our little All for Adventure grill thing here, but I don't think we've got enough gas left. So we're going to plan C, which is 240 volt air fryer. We've got the veggies all over here. Annie's got them all cut up, and she's just drying them out. Going to oil them up, and we're going to cook them in the air fryer. Taste the difference air fryer, using the new electrical system. Using the new electrical system, so make sure you check out my videos on those. The new Li-Time 230 amp hour lithium battery, been going amazing. So's the electrical system, but they should only take half an hour or so in the little air fryer, and we'll have a great little tea cooked. Weather's been great. There's a few little dark clouds on the horizon there, but it's been a great weekend out here, and we're going to finish it off with a great meal. So dogs have been sitting there sniffing all the food all afternoon. We've been having a little bit of a rest. So we'll see you again in a minute. I'm sure we'll have it all plated up and ready to go. Cheers everyone. Okay, just about ready to take off. So we're going to take this off first. I could have actually put the potatoes in here. It's shrunk down enough that we could have cooked all the potatoes and veggies around the side of that. Would have been just a matter of turning that off, undoing the prongs, putting the veggies in there. We've got them done in the air fryer now, just cheating a little bit. So we've got our table set up over here. Hopefully the flies don't eat us too much. Got our plates, going to wrap it in foil. Got the gravy going, cheating on the gravy too. If you want to heat gravy up when you're camping, jet boil, boiling water, drop it in there and it heats up. So I'll get this off, get it on here, and we'll show you once we start cutting it up. Cheers everyone. Okay, got it all carved up. Have a look at that. There it is there. So I'm going to enjoy this. Ausspit is amazing. Camp Cube is amazing. Having meals like this when you're camping is bloody amazing. So cheers everyone. Thanks for watching. At least you got to see my cook up. Stay safe, look after each other, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Let's enjoy.